everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see, this is the property location. There is a nearby attractions and outlets. Find lots of reviews and which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category Category 4. Category 6. Category 7. Category 8. Category 9. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The location of the property is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of solar related online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various payment plans and payment policies. The link provided in the description. Details check description. If you have already checked out from this video, please share your